lahat ng kaso ni VP sinagot niya. So, ano yung sinasabi nilang hindi siya nag-i-explain? The reason it's slowing down is because wala talaga silang makakalkal against the Vice President. Sasabihin nila, corrupt. Nasaan ang issue ng corruption? Sa confidential fund? Bakit hindi pa nagruruling ang COA kung mayroon nga? Ito pa, pansinin ninyo. Yung momentum ng mga resign all, humihina na. Yung mga nagsasabing resign din daw si VP Inday. Ang hina, walang kakapitan na logic. Alam niyo kung bakit? Presidente Marcos, sunod-sunod yung mga akusasyon sa kanya, and a simple perusal of the budgets will reveal that may mga nawawala nga. Kay VP Inday, hindi. May CF issue siya, yung 71 million. It's not 125 ha, it's 71 million kasi inalaw yung iba. Now, she answered that and COA has not issued a decision. So anong sinasabi nila? May proseso, sumunod si VP Inday sa proseso, hindi pa nagdidesisyon ng COA and yet somehow it's her fault. They're trying to make it look like the VP does not explain, but she did explain. She explained to COA. She filed her counter affidavit kung di ako nagkakamali, sa ombudsman. Nag-file siya dun sa NBI ng sagot niya. Lahat ng kaso ni VP sinagot niya. So, ano yung sinasabi nilang hindi siya nag-i-explain? So, the reason it's slowing down is because wala talaga silang makakalkal against the Vice President. Sasabihin nila, corrupt. Nasaan ang issue ng corruption? Sa confidential fund? Bakit hindi pa nagruruling ang COA kung mayroon nga? Finailan na nga siya sa ombudsman because the Vice President apparently, according to them, is not immune from suit. Taki? Akala natin. Wala kasi nakalagay sa Constitution. Pero kung impeachable ka kasi, dapat hindi na file sa ombudsman. Gayun pa man, sinasagot ni VP Inday lahat yan. So hindi nagkakaroon ng momentum. Ginagawa nila is, ito lang ang pinaka-strategiya nila. Sasabihin nila, politika lang yang mga allegations ng korupsyon, etc. Kay BBM kasi si VP Inday naman ang corrupt. On our end, VP Inday corrupt. Tignan nyo nga, they are not similarly situated. Tama, sabi ni For the PH, I also appreciate Leandro Leviste for saying that the VP does not have insertions. Well said. Hi, Ma'am Christine. Sabi niya, hey, morning live. Hello, attorney and everyone. Virtual reassuring pats on the back and hugs to us all Duterte supporters because we see their policies as pro-PH. Hi, Miss Ruth. Sabi ni Hansky, after all of this, 100% ubos, kaban ng bayan, all evidence tampered and acquitted, kawawa tayo. Wow, that's looking for the silver, that's looking for the cloud around the silver lining. Sabi ni Kim, sabi nga ni Congressman Legarda ba yun, halos buong gobyerno may insertion from senators to congressmen. Then nung nag-react kunwari yung si Alcheco, ba yun na reporter mentioning VP Sara, the kind congressman told them that lahat may insertions except si VP Inday. Sabi ni Mr. Guzman, the president is very clear na puppet na siya ng mga liberal. He pleases them now. Siya naman ang ilulubog. Hi, Miss John. Sabi niya, hayagan na ayaw kay VP. Siya ba naman pinagre-resign ng mga peking pro-BBM? Nga eh. Sabi ni Norman Aaron, chismis lang yan. Oh, chismis lang naman pala. Anong kinatatakutan ninyo? Why so scared? Diba? Magchichismisan lang kami dito. Huwag mo kaming pansinin. Diba? Ewan ko, yung presidente ninyo, takot na takot sa chismis. Sabi ni Queen, it's very obvious now. This is revenge from the NPA supported by BBM, backed by oligarchs and drug cartels that got mad and affected by PRD during his war on drugs. Don't worry, we're the good guys. Sabi ni Ma'am Christine, the walls are closing in on the BBM admin. So much so, he had to do a dinner with the AFP. Photos surrounded by MIU higher-ups don't look like strength. The BBM moves always solidify weakness. Well said, Ma'am Christine. I love it when she explains things this way. So, totoo yan. There are photographs. They're still floating around the internet when President Duterte went to Marawi. And what happened? Dinumog siya ng mga sundalo, not just the officers. He was surrounded not just by the officers, but by by all ranks of officers. Wow. And everybody trying to take a picture, everybody trying to be close to him, even the kids running up to him. You cannot buy that kind of love. You cannot buy that kind of response from people. You can't manufacture that. You can't have a picture surrounded by officers and say, I'm popular. No. Sabi ni Elle, hi, watching from Singapore, and dumaan ako sa Dolomite Beach bago bumalik dito. It was beautiful. Kaya nga, di ba? It still is. Sabi ni Betty, hi attorney, sa lahat ng chismis dito ang may sense. Oo nga eh. Yan mo. Inaakusahan tayo na nagchichismis lang tayo. O sige, fine. Chismis ito if that's what you think. But if it's chismis, why are you so afraid of us? Sabi ni Awi, we must look at the situation from a different angle. Everything that's happening now is a major wake-up call for all Filipinos. Ginigising tayo sa katarantaduhan ng ating gobyerno. I'm pretty sure we're all awake by now. The next thing is what to do. Sabi ni Renato, di ko aalisin ang malasakit ni Tatay Digong. Pilipinas, Mother Birth says, Duterte legacy, Dolomite, just look around. Sabi ni Mitchko, our country will be in full reset once Marcos is, huwag naman ousted kasi that's illegal, gone. Sabi ni Aline, nahihirapan talaga sila sa Duterte, kitang-kita mo talaga sa effort nila sa paninira. Exactly. Why would they bother? Bakit kailangan nilang manira kung hindi naman sila threat? Okay. So, again, bantayan natin yung mga options ng mga Marcos, and they're very limited now. Oh, there's one more pala. They will try filing cases against ordinary people. Yung para lang to remind us that they can do this to us. Okay? So, my advice will always be careful what you post online. Make sure that what you're posting is within the bounds of the law. Okay? And madalas naman natin pinag-uusapan yung mga yan. You can check the mga previous lives natin na kung saan yung mga saan yung mga boundaries natin. Sabi ni Dilo, the public's anger had not yet over flood control corruption had not yet subsided when the DTI secretary added fuel to the fire by insulting Filipinos with the statement that 500 pesos is sufficient to celebrate their most special holiday. BBM is drowning as F. Sabi ni Bok, sino po ang VP could possibly be ni President Sara? She will choose from Congress. So, could be Senator Marcoleta. It could be, somebody from Congress. We don't know. Could be anybody. But it will have to come from the legislature. Sabi ni Boss Lemon TV, the anti-Duterte dilemma. If Duterte isn't released, Sara wins. If Duterte is released, Sara still and returns to the Philippines, Sara still wins. If Duterte dies in The Hague, Sara still wins. So whatever will be the scenario until 2028, undeniably, Sara still wins. Sabi ni Hansky, did the system fail us or is there still hope? Guys, one of the biggest fallacies is that the system fails us. Who runs these systems? Sa totoo lang, whenever I look at our laws, marami tayong batas na magaganda talaga. Anti-corruption laws, ganyan. Meron pa tayong separate system just for government officials. Takin nyo yun, ha? But in the end, it's people who fail us. It is people who fail us. Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng batas natin. Pero pag tumanggap ng pera yung tao na yun, it screws up everything. For example, and this is a rare occurrence, let's say judge, bigyan mo para mag-acquit. So what legal convolutions have to be done in order to justify that release? And sometimes that legal convolution can be upheld by the higher court and becomes part of the law of the land. We're screwed. What about, sa mga biddings? O sige, sabi, dapat, matanggal na yung mga maraming padding dyan sa Takot na takot tayo na baka kumita yung contractor. When actually, dapat kumita yung contractor. Ang mali, hindi dapat nagbibigay yan dun sa mga opisyales. At hindi dapat nanghihingi yung mga opisyales. Yet, is there a law that you can say, di ba, in your law, the official should not ask money from the contractor, and yet it happens. Nakashima says, and what the Supreme Court doing after all the executive and legislative have failed us? The Supreme Court is a passive body. It can only act on cases filed before it. It will not take the lead. It will never, give an opinion. Hindi yan mag-e-epal because that defeats the entire mandate of the court. So, guys, stop thinking that the Supreme Court can do something affirmative, meaning to take action. They cannot. They can only act on cases filed before them. Stop thinking that they can ride in with a sword and start striking people down. No. The Supreme Court is not the counterbalance to the executive or legislative. It is the counterbalance to everybody, including us. Sabi ni Perlito, new LTO chief rewarded as a member of the group effort for bringing Tatay Digong to The Hague. Ayan na nga. So, remember their names. Don't allow them to have a political career after this.